Timothy, look.
Hey, look. Look. We have
Three monkeys.
Three monkeys. Hey, what do you think, son? See? We have Gus, Russ, and Potts. How about that?
You're gonna feed them?
You gonna feed them?
Do you like the monkeys?
Do you like the monkeys, son?
Oh, you're a kid.
Oh, you gave the monkey a kiss. Hey, what about his kiss? Did he get a kiss too? No kiss? Got some dirt on there already.
Oh, you have to send it back.
Do you like these? You just have to wash it. You like these monkeys, son?
Oh, he kissed it again.
Yeah, you like this one too?
Oh, he likes that one.
What about this one? What?
Too many monkeys, Daddy.
Which monkey?
Oh, he kissed that one too.
You gonna kiss Gus too? See, look, Gus, he's like all worn out. Okay.
Oh.
And then Big Monkey.
Oh, so sweet, Timothy.
Here, son. Let's get a picture of you.